Wow. Look how that's boiling. That's just nuts.
Look up here, too.
Where? Which way?
Yeah.
Are we in
Oh,
trouble?
wow. Holy jeez.
So you got another one coming down
Yeah.
this way?
Right there.
Yeah.
I haven't seen this before. These are the biggest damn clouds I've ever seen.
That's it.
I'm shooting
It's
video.
also huge, like head, and it's coming down this way, too.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
This is so going on YouTube.
That's heavy rain there, isn't it, coming down the center?
Yeah, look at all the lightning too. Wow.
The rain's way off over there, honey.
What is this?
No,
coming
that
down
right
here?
over there. There's a big
Yeah.
shaft of it there.
What's this coming down right here?
Whoa, I see what you're talking about. Oh, yeah.
No,
No?
it's going
Okay.
back up.
Yep. These are the ones I'm looking at.
Which one's right up in the middle?
Right up in there.
Yeah.
Because you can see the rotation.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's huge. There's some coming down fast here, too, in the middle. On the right.
Oh, yeah. I see what you're talking about there.
I don't know that it's going to be organized well
No.
that way.